An arm with rotating chop blades cleans up the side of a highway with ease. Freshly refinished floors are clear-coated with a roller pad for a shiny and durable finish. This talented carpenter makes a shower stool in a matter of minutes with precise measurements. A road worker uses a template and his expert skills to paint an arrow on the street. Turf glue and turf cutter and 3 workers install an out-of-bounds line on a football field. This worker applies a uniform bead of the adhesive before installing a new car windshield. Watch the tile of this shower nook get pointed and set with pro lever precision. A dirty window is folded up and amazingly squeeged by this crafty window cleaner. Layers upon layers of fresh dough are chopped with a cleaver to create handmade noodles. The entire stump of a hemlock tree is removed using a chainsaw and stump grinder. Watch this skilled painter use an airless sprayer to restore this dilapidated wall. This mobile paint sprayer utilizes a laser line to ensure precise lines every time. Sunflower seeds are harvested by striking at the backside of a sunflower head with wooden rods. Perfectly mixed cement mortar is applied with a brick trowel and a steady hand. A skilled iron worker creates a custom design by uniformly hammering divots into a custom pot. This gardener uses an electric hedge trimmer to level off an overgrown bush. The high setting on a power washer is used to take a fading green fence down to bare wood. A parapet of wall gets rapidly coated with a supersized roller pad and extension pole. A skilled craftsman and sharp knife team up to skin a large piece of fruit in just seconds. A fractured rod is quickly dismantled, scooped up, and emptied into a dumpster by a compact track loader. Various cleaning solutions are applied to restore the interior of a dirty car. Tile is rapidly grouted thanks to a nifty grout squeegee that both applies and removes excess grout. Highly toxic expanding foam insulation is sprayed into the foaming base of an attic. Watch these massive pipes and gates get coated in seconds by dipping it into a vat of electrostatic powder paint. Black brick silicone is used to seal a blocked out brick line at a rapid pace. A jigsaw-like tool quickly cuts through various layers of fabric for sewing purposes. Firewood is perfectly split every time by a descending arm with evenly divided chop blades. Two road workers use a stencil and airless paint sprayer to create a bus stop road sign. dirty rug is shampooed and scraped clean using a rake-like hand tool. Watch this steady-handed gardener expertly weed-whack a garden bed with precision.